So starting with the first problem, the problem says determine the first quartile Q1, median Q2, third quartile Q3. This problem will combine two different concepts, that is identifying the interquartile range after finding out the interquartile range, understanding any number given in the data set, how to identify whether it is an outlier or not outlier. So the data set given is 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 40. The data set clearly indicates the total number of data values present is n is equals to 8. 8 is a even number. First, let's find Q2, that is median. Median is central value. To do central value, if the total number of numbers present in data set is even, then we have to add middle two numbers and divide by 2. So the middle two numbers is actually 9 and 10. That is fourth and fifth value. Therefore, Q2 is fourth plus fifth value divided by 2. Fourth value is 9, fifth value is 10, 9 plus 10 by 2 is nothing but 9.5. Therefore, median is 9.5. Q1 is first quartile. First quartile is first half of the data set. Q3 is second half of the data set. Therefore, from the given data set, the first half of the set is 5, 7, 8, 9, whereas Q3 10, 11, 12, 40. Once again, if you observe both the data set, the total number of values present in this data sets, again it is even number. Now to find the Q1, add central two values, that is 7 plus 8 divided by 2, 11 plus 12 divided by 2, and Q1 is 7.5, Q2 is 11.5. Interquartile range, that is IQR, is given by the difference between Q3 and Q1, which is nothing but 4. So now here you learned, given any data set, how to identify the interquartile range and what is Q1, Q2, Q3. Value wise you understood. Now second half of the problem, we will understand what actually Q1, Q2, Q3 indicates. And in given any data set, whatever the number is given, how to identify whether it is outlier or not outlier. See, in the question it is mentioned, identify whether 40 is outlier or not using IQR method. We know that from the previous solving way of the problem, IQR is 4. I think in the first, in our one of the previous video, I gave you the limitation of any value in the terms of formula. If you can remember that formula in the video, I told you when problem comes, I'll be explaining you what those formula means. So these are the formula which is as per the statistical measure, where to find the lower limit, Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. To find the upper limit, Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. So when you solve this, where Q1 take the value of Q3 and IQR is given by 4, lower limit is 1.5, upper limit is 17.5. Now any number given in the data set, you want to identify whether it is outlier or not outlier. Compare that number with respect to the upper limit number. Now the upper limit number is 17.5. In the question they have asked for 40. Since 40 is greater than 17.5, given any value, if it is greater than upper limit, then that particular number is outlier. Therefore 40 is outlier. You can also see from the data set 40 is very, very much beyond the number 17.5. Now we identified 40 is the outlier. Next we should understand what is this actually Q1 and Q3 indicates. From here we got Q1 as 7.5, Q3 is 11.5. What is Q1? See, first quartile indicates that in the total given data set, 25% of the data lies within this value. Now you can see the data. If our limitation for Q1 is 7.5, I think 5 and 7, they lies within this range. Therefore, seeing the data set also we can observe 25% of the data falls under the quartile Q1. Next is Q3, that is quartile 3. 75% of the data lies below this value. So Q3 says it is 11.5. Now if you see the data set, I think remaining from here, that is up to 11, almost 75% of data, yes, it is falling below this value. Therefore, this indicates that 25% of the data in overall data set. Q3 indicates 75% of data in overall data set. Then where is the higher concentration of the data? That is always between, the high concentration of data is always between the range Q1 and Q3. So we can understand like this, between Q1 and Q3 we have almost middle, that is 50% of the data is between Q1 and Q3. If you consider only up to Q1, it is 25% of the data. Q3, if you consider, it is only up to 75% data, but in between Q1 and Q3 we have 50% of data. So this problem will help you to understand how the data is distributed within given data set. Between Q1 and Q3 it is 50% of the data. So this says that you can see the data set, most of the data set is concentrated between 7.5 and 11.5. So like this, any other question is given, to find the IQR. From the IQR, then you have to identify whether the given number is outlier or not outlier. This is the way you need to understand the data, find Q1, Q2, Q3, IQR, and this is a methodology where I can identify, given any number which is present in the data set, whether it is outlier or not outlier. So we'll go for next problem.